Are you looking to make some extra cash? Here are some proven methods to boost your income. 1. Consider starting a side hustle, such as freelancing or selling handmade crafts. 2. Invest in stocks, bonds, or real estate to make your money work for you. 3. Rent out your unused space, like a spare room or parking spot. 4. Take advantage of online platforms that offer paid surveys or microtasking opportunities. 5. Monetize your hobbies by teaching or offering services related to your passion. 6. Become an affiliate marketer and earn commissions by promoting products or services. 7. Create and sell digital products, such as ebooks or online courses. 8. Utilize your skills as a consultant or coach to help others while profiting. 9. Consider renting out your belongings, like cameras or tools. 10. Explore peer-to-peer lending platforms if you are comfortable with lending money. Remember, making money requires effort and dedication, so choose methods that align with your interests and skills.